blind dates. These setups don't ever work out. Ooh, is that her? It is. Well, hello there. Hello. I'm Chase. My name's Bunny. The Notebook is my favorite movie. I cried all the way through it. It was very romantic. I think you must be romantic. What's your favorite place? The beach. Animals, cats, scented candles, vanilla, babies. I knew you were going to ask. It's babies. Wow, me too. It's like they put you for a jerk. Well, I don't like to admit it, but I used to be. I'm different now. I've changed. What changed you? Have you seen the movie Bridget Jones' Diary? I may have seen it or twice. That movie changed my life. I saw myself as Daniel, but I wanted to be Mr. Darcy. Oh, my. No, I don't have a job. I live with Mommy. You don't have a job? Did you just say Mommy? Hate blind dates. These things don't ever work out.